Hey YouTube, it's Shayla with singing a new song. Welcome to my 5th Azure haul. Is it 5th? Yeah, you guys, this is my biggest Azure haul yet. The last haul that I did was actually 2 hauls in one, if you'll remember, and it was my 3rd and 4th haul, so it seemed really big. But this is the biggest haul that I have done all in one yet. Hey, if you're not familiar with Azure Standard, be sure to check out the links that I have below to my other videos introducing them. Briefly, Azure Standard is a natural products and foods company specializing in organic foods, natural foods, non-GMO foods, and natural non-toxic cleaning products for your home. They also carry supplements as well. In addition to that, they carry a host of other products, like this product here that I'm going to show you guys first. I do have a special request though before I jump right into this haul. If you guys are enjoying these hauls and you want me to keep making them, I need you guys to shop my links. You do not pay any extra to shop them, but Azure does credit me and I do earn a small commission from the links. So if you want these videos to keep coming, please use the links that I provide. And if you are a new customer, please be sure to use my code when you go to sign up with your new account. First up are these garden pearls. I got these. They're calcium garden carbonate, and I got this because my tomatoes and my peppers outside are not doing well. They're rotting on the vine, and apparently when you have end of blossom rot like that, it's supposed to be because they are low, or the soil is too low in calcium. So I'm going to try this and I'm hoping it gives me a bigger yield. Oh, the other thing is my tomatoes and peppers are super leafy, and apparently if you don't have enough calcium in the soil, all the energy in the plant will go to making new leaves instead of going to the fruit, which is why the fruit will rot on the vine. Hopefully this will make a difference. It says on the back that it's gentle on plants, grass, helps you grow vegetables and flowers at their optimum pH range. Let's see, increases botanical and biological soil activity. Anyways, blah, blah, blah. If this is something you need for your gardens, you can read up on it. Go look it up on the website and read all of it it's good for. Moving on. So you guys, we just got a puppy. And as you know, puppies smell. And we've been using a lot of this Stench X for the puppies and the bathrooms now. If the puppy has an accident, we'll use this. But we're going through it so quickly. And I was looking into it, and as with most things on the Azure website, if you buy it in a larger quantity, you end up saving a lot more money. They have things that you can just buy single like this, but they also have where you can buy things in 3s, you can buy things in big, huge quantities, which I'll show you in a minute. Well, and right here. So I got this. This is a big bottle of Stench X. I think it was only like 12 bucks. Totally worth it. Saved money versus if I got like 4 of these. And then another thing that I got, because of the puppy, I wanted this to spray on things like carpets and things like that. It's supposed to be safe for all surfaces. It's a odor eliminator for when you have pets. And it says for permanent elimination, pure air must contact the entire odor surface. So I'm excited to see how well this works. You're supposed to shake it before you use it. I don't know if it has an odor. Yeah, it has an odor. It doesn't smell good actually. So you guys, I took the plunge with the Azure Clean Wishing Dishwasher Powder. This works better than anything I have ever used for the dishwasher. I love this stuff, and of course I could save a lot of money by getting the big huge bucket instead of getting the smaller quantity. So I just went ahead and did it because I knew I liked it, and we are going to need lots of it. And we'll just continue on with all of the cleaning products before we go on to anything else. So we needed more dish soap, so I'm getting the Smiley Suds dish soap. It's fragrance free. I got fragrance free so I could add my own essential oils to it. I got laundry stuff here. We've got laundry packets, and I went ahead and I got two laundry packets. So this is like 60 loads of laundry here. I don't know if it's going to be enough to get us through, but I know Charlie's is a really good brand, and I knew I'd probably like it. I'm still on the hunt for, you know, a really good laundry detergent. I liked the other ones that I've tried from Azure, but I'm just trying to see if I can, you know, narrow it down and find one that I like even a little bit better. It's not that the other ones didn't work. They did, but I wanted something that worked just a little bit better. So I've got the laundry booster here because this seems to help. It's a hard water treatment. And then I also got more of the oxygen powdered bleach. You guys have seen those in previous hauls, so I won't talk too much about those. But you can watch the other hauls. Necessities of life here, people. Toilet paper, gotta have it, right? I decided to try this out because I did a price comparison with what we were buying at the chain store. And this, honestly, was less. So I'm opening it up to check it out here. It looks really good. So it's 100% recycled bathroom tissue.
Recycled?
Yes.
How did they manage that?
It's not what it sounds like. That's not what it means when they say recycled. I can see how that would be confusing. Anyway, so this is 12 rolls, 2-ply. The bottom one is 12 rolls, 2-ply, but it's 400 sheets, and this one is 250 sheets. So I guess, I thought there would be a difference between the two. There's no difference between the two, I guess. So we got more vitamins here like usual. I get all my vitamins from Azure now. I have child vitamins. I have calcium gummies for kids. We have charcoal, activated charcoal. I got more of the children's chewable probiotics. Vitamin C gummies, gotta have those. I got some colloidal silver. This one does not have protein binders. You never want to get one that has protein binders. More of these Manuka lemon honey lollipops. I don't know if you can tell, but we actually are getting over a summer cold. Crazy, right? I guess it's not uncommon. We've had this happen before. So we had to use the other box or bag that I was stocking up. So I got some more. I got this, the baking soda. For some reason, I thought this was going to be like a big bag, but it's not. So that's one thing that when you're buying things online, always check, make sure you know what size you're getting. I thought this was going to be like really, really big, and it's okay. It's fine. It was super affordable, so it's fine. My little girl liked the toothbrushes I got for her brother. So I told her this month I was going to get her one. So I got her one of these. I thought I got two, but I only got one. We like these, the nice big handles. They're extra soft, zero waste, comfy for small hands, suitable from first tooth on, BPA and PVC free, which is important to me. I haven't done this in a really long time, but I finally went and I took the plunge and I bought a big case of soap. I love the sandalwood. It's one of my favorite scents. But I love the sandalwood Sapo Hill soaps. And a family our size, we need to get the big box, and it lasts us a couple months. So that's what I did. It smells so good. The scent just takes me back in time to, I don't know. I don't like using regular coffee filters because they're bleached. So I like to get these. These are certified compostable, unbleached, totally chlorine free. Much healthier to use if you're a big coffee drinker, which I am. Gotta have coffee. Oh my gosh. Before this video's up, I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee and I'm gonna let you know how this turns out. This is the Organic Love Buzz. Smells, oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. So good. Desert Essence is one of my very favorite shampoo brands. Love it, and I love this scent. This one actually isn't for me though. I got this for the family, my kids and my husband, and it's a clarifying shampoo, so great for teens and kids that don't like to bathe very often. Should I say that? Last but not least, I got some Desert Essence coconut oil mouthwash here, and it is coconut mint. I got one for every one of the bathrooms. So one for the kids' bathroom, one for the bathroom downstairs, and one for the master bathroom. And here, I thought this looked good. So this is a Silver Biotics tooth gel. It's supposed to promote healthy gums and teeth. So I'm excited to see if this helps. So you guys, thank you for watching another Azure haul by singing a new song. I hope you found some products to try that you didn't know Azure carried. And please remember to use my link. Leave a comment below if there are things here that you've tried and loved. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.